It's 4:30 in the morning. Well, here's our mess. That is a wagon full of fodder, chaff, soybeans, crap. Oh, holy cow. What's up, everybody? You can see combine's going down the road. We're going to try to grab 40 acres of beans tonight. It's about, it feels like it's 1 in the morning. It's really 6:37, 7 o'clock, and it's the start. Yeah, I don't know, right or wrong call. The beans we think they're about 15%, so we're going to grab them. The pods are breaking. It did rain a couple days ago, but that is a neighbor's machine on tracks, so we're going to do the best we can with the ground. But Thanksgiving's coming up Thursday, and it's going to rain, and the forecast just looks terrible from there on, so I think it's time to kind of grab them and go from there. We'll all right, update. It's 11:20. We are running. Gotta try and just clean up these last 40 acres. We just filled up two of the smaller DMIs, center dumps. Now I got the larger 450 bushel wagon from that side, the one we put cement truck tires on. So we are going back. Partner's got the semi. We had a little rough time figuring out what kind of moisture it was. Just anytime you get this cold, nothing wants to act right. But the combine's saying they're between 15 and 16. So at that point, we're going to take them because Thanksgiving there's rain, then Sunday it's rain, and the weather's just, it's time. There's no more playing with it. Hoping they're going to dry down more, and ground conditions are going to be good, which is right. Like I said, neighbor blessed us enough to let us use his track combine, so we're floating very well across the ground. We're not running a grain cart from that point, but man, it just, like I said, frustrating. As I said in the previous clip, that we had a combine 3 weeks ago, and unfortunately the thing got sold, so we got 40 acres short. We've just waited on a few neighbors to help us, but obviously they're going to take their crops off first, which I don't blame them from that point. So here we are. It's unfortunate, but that's part of life. You have setbacks. Things go wrong, and you have to respond, and you can control how you respond. And I'll be honest with you, when that machine quit that night because it was sold, I didn't respond very well. I knew, because this was how we were going to finish, was kind of in the mud, cold, all that. But anyway, we're going to get it done tonight. The dust is actually flying. I'm kind of shocked how much dust there is. The beans, like I said, they're 15-60%, somewhere in there. It's time. It is absolute time. So I will get some footage from the cab here. I'm not going to fly the drone because it's 11:30. I don't want to chase the thing, and it's just one more thing tonight. So we're just going to run. I'm going to finish these beans and complete Harvest 2021, and just slam the door shut on this, and look forward to Harvest 2022 with the Gleaner Combine. That'll be fun. I am pumped up for that. So, okay, we'll be there soon. Oh. I got the head behind me, a little bit of work. For some reason on the combine, the fan was spinning, but somehow the airflow got blocked off. We didn't catch it in time, but we got one wagon full of succotash, if you want to say. Here's our mess. That is a wagon full of fodder, chaff, soybeans, crap. And we're going to scoop it up and put it in there. I wish I had my mount, but I don't, so. All right, Bob got her cleaned up here. It's going decent. And there goes the wagon. Oh, extra clean out there. I guess that's all I'm getting. Well, got a pile. Alright, it's 4:30 in the morning. We have decided after that long adventure of cleaning that wagon of all the crap out of it, we've decided we're just going to move the combine for the neighbor to his next field, or where he's going to start in the morning. Kind of a, I guess, I'm going to say thank you. Got lights, yeah. From that point, so combine's already moving. I got the trailer, the head and the trailer. The head's on the trailer, I hope. And we're moving everything for him so he can just start in the morning from that point. So hopefully we'll be going to bed soon. Hopefully.